This is the Jumbled Letters Worksheet. This is a worksheet working on the skill of directionality, which is again cementing the ability to recognize the correct orientation of letters and numbers. And this is really helpful for patients that have difficulty with reversals or write their B's and D's backwards. This is a great exercise for you. In this worksheet, there is a series of uppercase and lowercase letters and a few numbers scattered in there as well. Some are facing forward and some are facing backwards. And the goal is to go through and check each figure and make sure that it's facing the correct way. If it is facing backwards, you're going to circle it for us. So this is the Jumbled Letters Worksheet, and I'm going to go into it in more detail of some strategies for how you're going to go and coach someone through this worksheet. And hopefully by the end, our goal is that there is no letter or number reversal confusion. Hope you enjoy it. All right, so for the Jumbled Letters Worksheet, this actually has uppercase and lowercase and numbers, letters that may be facing forward or backwards. So what we want to do is we want to check each individual letter or number, and we want to see if it's facing forward or backwards. If it's facing forward, we're going to leave it alone. If it's facing backwards, we're going to circle it or cross it off. All right, now if you're not sure, or if you have to double think, I don't know if that looks right or wrong, then what I want you to do is I want you to cover it up, write the correct orientation on the top, and then check it against your own. So the letter S would be backwards. How about for the letter Q? If you're like, I don't remember which way the Q goes. Oh, it's actually facing the correct way. All right, so let's go from forward to back. So we've checked this letter, this letter, this letter. Let's go to this one. And if you already know that it looks backwards, just circle it. The number 2, letter L, P, C, H, 7. If you're not sure which way it is, cover it up. Write your number 7 on the top. Compare it. Oh, guess it is going the right way. So that's how you're going to go through the Jumbled Letter Worksheet. You're going to be checking each letter in order. I don't want you to skip around and just, oh, that one looks backwards, that one looks backwards, that one looks backwards, because then you won't remember which ones you've checked and which ones you haven't. So remember to go in a left to right fashion, top to bottom, and you're going to check each row until you get to the end of the page. That's how you complete the Jumbled Letter Worksheet.